Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you Curlsmith's Bond Curl Salve. So this is a product I wanted to show you the consistency of it before I put it in my hair and what it looks like out of the bottle. So this stuff is, I'm always looking for ways to condition and make my curls more bouncy, and this is a great rehab salve. So this is going to bond your hair. It's going to make your hair stronger, and that's what I'm looking for. Sometimes we just need to pick me up. One of the things I love about it is if you don't know much about hair's porosity, this is going to give you some information on the back and how you can test your hair out to see how often you would need to use this. I came in the medium to low porosity. So I'm using this like once to twice a month, and I am finding a huge difference in my curls. So this product doesn't condition, but it strengthens your hair, which is basically just as important. I'm just really happy with the results. I highly recommend it. That's just my point of view.